Alright, weekend number 2. As you can see, it's pretty wet. It's been raining all week and I'm glad to be getting out and getting a bit of fresh air. I've got a walking tour today which I'm looking forward to, but this morning I have to do some shopping. And the reason why I say that is because one of my most successful videos on Instagram, which I was doing before this, was me shopping. Found a supermarket, so I'm going to do some weekly shopping. I'm going to get the bus, pick up some week groceries, and then go and capture this walking tour. Go half an hour window. Got about half an hour window to go shopping and get to the walking tour, and I'm already late, so I suppose I better pick up pace. That was slightly more rushed than I wanted it to be. I don't have my glasses on, I can't read anything. For context, the walking tour is 11 and it's 10 past 10 now. I decided I'm going to do my own tour, so I'm going to head back to the fat policeman statue over here, check that out, but I'm just walking through this street and it smells delicious. That's quite clearly the fat policeman. With a shiny belly.
In Budapest you can find them.
So as you can see, I've just joined the tour, but this statue basically was erected overnight during the German occupation. I'm picking up the tenuous subject of World War II on this tour, so I'll add as I sort of learn about it. But this statue was raised by the government in secret overnight. That basically the eagle has something to do with Nazis basically, and then the angel below is a patron saint, and she's holding like a crown jewel. So yeah, pretty controversial statue. This is actually an empty building. It's the old stock exchange, and they basically use it for filming at the moment because it looks exactly as it did back in the 20th century. It's a monster building just to be left wide open. The Parliament building, not really much to say on that other than Freddie Mercury wanted to buy it, apparently. And now we're going to go see the Memorial Shoes, which is basically a grim story. Look how busy it is. Grim story of the, I think it was the Jews being shot into the river, and they would be asked to take off their shoes. So yeah, a lot of World War II grimness.
southern end of the hill, that's the administrative center, as I said. that big building that used to be the residency of kings and queens back in the day.
Right, walking tours over. I've got a little sweetie. It's licorice and I hate licorice, but let's give it a go. I'm gonna go find a cafe and a coffee and some food because I'm hungry, I'm cold, and it's already been a day, I think. Oh, I don't like licorice at all. Okay, so I've just stopped in a coffee shop to refuel. I think I've got the afternoon now, so I think I might go to, there's something called House of Terror, which again is some World War II heavy stuff, but looks quite interesting and it's only down the way. Yeah, but I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. It's actually a beast of a sandwich. Double cheese. Change of plan, even though it's gloomy, even though it's slightly raining, I'm going to go for a hike at that hill that I saw whilst on Liberty Bridge last week. So I'm just going to hike around there whilst it's still dry, because apparently there are thunderstorms going to happen this week. But I had just read that this is free to get in, so I'm going to check this out for a bit and see St. Stephen's Hand. Okay, so it's not free to get in, but I don't think the tickets are that expensive, so I'm just going to find the ticket office next to Starbucks. There we go. There we go. 2,000, so that was like £4.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's King Stephen's Hand. And it's definitely a handwright. What's if Europe and like dead bodies inside churches? I don't know. I've since come to learn, since being here, that the Buddha side is a bit snobbish, a bit up themselves. So now I'm over the Buddha side. I'm a bit snobbish and a bit up myself. This is first stop. Just got to decide how to get up there now. Alright, here we go. There's a bee hotel. Look at all the little bees going inside those tubes. Not looking good. Okay, bit off-road, but that was close. We're going to get to Lady Liberty. Okay, precarious. The view is nice. Statue of Liberty, that. There you go, there it is. Risk my life for a... risked my life. Okay, now we're going to go down, back down the mountain or hill and check out one more thing to see, and then might just go do some beer, go do some drinking. So I might just go around and drink and chat to some strangers. All right, last stop. I'm guessing that's where we are right now. That was something to do with King Buddha and the Princess of Pest. And I guess there's some sort of love thing in there, but I'll have to read up on it when I get home. But that was nice, I quite like that. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, the whole of Budapest is like littered with Soviet statues from World War II. And that's what that is. All these things are. But the Statue of Liberty, which is what I just went up to, they kept that because I like that. Oh yeah, and that's the other thing. The reason why all the buildings are so different is because basically Budapest has been bombed so many times. They've had to rebuild it through the ages and stuff, so it all just looks all erratic and different. I'll end the day there. That was really random. Bumped into a couple of old folks who were really into their craft beer. We ended up just doing a little pub crawl together. They were like 58 and 60, so that was quite funny. So yeah, we'll end it there, and I'll see you tomorrow.